Hello, and today I'm here with an unboxing of my latest Boxcitement box. This is the fourth one that I've had. It was slightly a mistake. I signed up originally to get 3 and then forgot to cancel my subscription, so I am now signed up for another 3. It's not the worst mistake in the world, to be honest. I do generally really love getting these boxes. I'd seen a few sneak peeks on Instagram of what to expect, and I have to say I'm not expecting this to be my favourite box. So let's have a look. So here we go. Yeah, so here we are. The theme is monodramatic. Monochrome is not my favourite. Black and grey, totally not my favourite. But anyway, you can see the card there. I won't show you over the page, but we'll just walk through it. So this looks like a bookmark, picture of pebbles. I mean, it's just a piece of card with a hole punch and a ribbon. It's okay. I don't really use bookmarks. Whatever. Okay, I've opened the sticker, so let's have a look in. There are these little confetti hearts in there. Okay, so yeah, it is monochrome. My heart isn't really skipping a beat for this, to be honest, but let's have a look. So we've got a notebook. It feels really nice. Bright ideas. It's quite cute. It's got a little elastic. Inside, I don't know how well you can see that, quite dark lines and wide lined. Honestly, I'm never going to use that. It really irritates me. There's a few things that, no, there's a lot of things that irritate me more. Okay, it does really irritate me, however, when you're trying to buy a notebook online and they don't show you the inside of the notebook, or indeed if you're in a shop and it's, you know, wrapped up in plastic like that, and I'm like, well, that's no good. How do I know if I'm going to want to use it, if I'm going to like it? Because actually, however pretty the outside is, and you know, this is fine, it's black, which is not my favourite, but it's fine. As soon as I see that, it's not for me, this notebook. But it's a nice notebook. I'll probably give that away to somebody. I feel like I might be saying that quite a lot with this. Okay, let's have a look. So we've got, what's this? Cards. I thought they might be postcards, but they're cards. You're cool. Okay, so that, I mean, that's quite fun. It is black and white, but it is quite fun. And you could, in fact, colour it in if you wanted. And a girl with a cat head. You're awesome. They're not my favourite. I do like, this is the silver envelopes. I might do something with those. I might know somebody who likes black and white that I can send them to. Right, what have we got in here? They said stationery. I think, well, we've already had a notebook and stuff, so... ginormous paper clips, 2 white and 1 black. I don't really mind what colour my paper clips are. I tend to buy bright ones, but you know, equal opportunity paper clips, and they are enormous, and I think that's quite fun. And rubber, and that, you know, it's quite cute. Oops, you made a mistake. It's a rubber, it's fine. Right, let's have a look. What have we got here? So there's usually a piece of jewellery. So far I've usually had little pendants, and I've mostly taken them off the chain that they came on and used them. Oh, okay, it's elastic. I mean, that is quite cute with the sort of little white stones that tell us. Interchangeable charms to match your mood. There you go. Is your mood a silver heart, a black circle, or a sort of beige teardrop? I don't think my mood is ever really those things, but anyway, you can take the charms off, and I might just do that. It's quite a cute little bracelet. It's fine. It'll go with lots of stuff if it's white. And I could always buy other charms to put on it. Key keeper. Never lose your spare keys in the drawer again. Can you see that? That's not how you spell drawer. D-R-A-W-E-R. There we go. Just so we all know. Drawer. Thing you draw out. Drawer. I'm not sure I quite understand how that works. Do you put your keys through here? I guess, maybe. That doesn't look like it would fit keys. Maybe you put them through. I don't really know what you do with that. Does anyone know what you do with that? Basically, I do just have all my keys on my key ring. I don't have a whole drawer full of spare keys. But maybe I should, and maybe someone will explain how you use that to sort them out. We shall see. What else we've got? We've got a little black bag. Okay, little compact mirror. I quite like that. It's sort of marble with this kind of rose gold geometric pattern on it. I don't really carry a mirror with me. Maybe I should. Maybe I'll use that. And a photo of what's probably a really pretty flower in black and white. Yeah. So I guess what we're saying is, if you love black and white, you probably like this box. If, like me, you don't, particularly black or grey, I don't really like anything in that. I'm sorry. It's not that it's not nice stuff, it's just not my stuff. And, you know, that's the risk you take with a subscription box, isn't it? If you want to make sure you only got stuff you loved, you'd buy your own stuff. It's a bit of a shame when it's a whole box of stuff that you don't really like. It would be nice if there were one or two things in there that I thought, oh, actually, that's great. But, sorry, Boxcitement. I kind of want to say it's probably not you, it's me. Probably everyone else loves this. Anyway, I'll put the link below. If you saw this and thought, gosh, those are magic, I don't know why she's being so miserable about them, I will put the link below so that you can subscribe.